Evening friends, we have started night season of United Lane Dwarka. We are playing first match today. This is Six Flags, very nice ground. Very bright light. Very nice ground at Dwarka Expressway. We have been given a target of 151 runs in 20 overs by Uttarakhand Tigers. Opening pair today, Shankar Belwal and Kuldeep Kumar. Vivek Chauhan, opening bowler for Uttarakhand Tigers. Kuldeep Kumar will be facing the first ball of Vivek Chauhan. And first ball, Nick and out. Very poor start for United Dwarka. No run. One wicket. Second ball from Vivek Chauhan to Rinku Sharma. And dropped. Very lucky Rinku Sharma. Third ball of Vivek Chauhan to this is white ball. This opens the scoreboard for United in Dwarka with extra. 1 run, 1 wicket after 2 deliveries. Third ball from again wide, 2 balls, 2 runs. Third ball and no run. Fourth ball of the over to Rinku Sharma from Vivek Chauhan, and Snake should be at least 1 run. Fifth ball of the over and nice shot through the covers, should be a boundary or stopped by fielder just before the boundary. 2 runs. Last ball of the over from Vivek Chauhan to Shankar Belwal. Dot ball. 1 over, 5 runs, 1 wicket. First ball and this should be no ball. A free hit to United and Dwarka. Again white ball. Free hit continues. Bharat Singh Rawat, the second bowler, 2 extras in first 2 deliveries, so he'll be bowling his first ball. And this is nice flick by Rinku Sharma. Should be at least couple of runs here because boundary is very yes, third run. No, Rinku restricted for 2 only. Shankar wanted third, but he sent him back. Second ball from Bharat Singh and straight to keeper. Third ball of the over from Bharat Singh and snake from Rinku Sharma, and it's a single. Nice ball, straight to keeper, no run. Fifth ball of the over from Bharat, and this is white. Extra run for United Dwarka. Fifth ball of the over. This is nice shot by Shankar Belwal. Should be at least a boundary. It's a 6. Huge shot by Shankar Belwal. First boundary of the innings for United Dwarka. 17 runs after 1.5 overs. Another good shot from Shankar Belwal. Single. 2 overs, 18 runs after for the loss of 1 wicket. Vivek Chauhan continuing his spell. Will be bowling second over to Shankar Belwal. Straight to fielder, no run. Shankar Belwal, and this is nice catch by slip fielder. Shankar Belwal coming back to the pavilion after scoring 9 runs of 8 balls. Vivek Chauhan continuing his second over. Hanni is on strike. Nice defense on the first ball. Fourth ball from Vivek Chauhan to Hanni. And this is nice punch. Should be a boundary on the very second ball. Played by Hanni. 22 runs after 2.5 overs. Last ball of the over to Hanni. And nice ball. Straight to fielder. Straight to keeper. Second ball of the over, straight to fielder, but this is nice running between the wicket by Hanni. Single taken. Third ball of the over, straight to deep square leg fielder for a single. Fourth ball from Bharat Singh Rawat and dot ball. Fifth ball from Bharat Singh Rawat, outside off and straight to fielder for a single. Fifth ball of the over and nice shot straight to fielder, no run. Third over from Vivek Chauhan and straight to fielder, and this is nice miss. It should be at least 2 runs. This could be dangerous. No, 2 runs completed. Nice ball. Fifth ball of the over and should be white. Fourth ball of the over from Vivek Chauhan. Nice punch and should be a boundary. Third boundary for Honey. Sorry, second boundary for Honey. 32 runs after 4.4 overs. Fifth ball of the over from Vivek to Honey, and there is a nice flick. Should be at least 2 runs. No, only 1 run taken. Fifth ball of the over, and this is a nice flick straight to fielder. No, sorry, it's over. 5 overs, 33 runs for the loss of 2 wickets. Himanshu, the new bowler introduced by Uttarakhand Tigers, and this is first ball to Honey and missed. Fielder missed it over the deep square leg, and it's a boundary. Third boundary for Honey. Second ball from Himanshu to Honey, no run. Third ball from Himanshu to Honey and missed it. Fourth ball of the over from Himanshu to Honey and should be white. No, it's not white. Yeah, it's white. Very late decision by umpire. Fifth ball, and this is nice punch. It's a boundary, cracking boundary from Honey. Fourth boundary and sixth boundary for United Dwarka. 42 runs after 5.4 overs. Last ball of the over, single taken. Last ball of the over from Himanshu, and this is cracking shot. A nice 6. Oh no, very nice fielding at the deep square leg by the fielder. It was a 6. He pulled it back. Very nice shot by Rinku Sharma, but unlucky, didn't get through. 44 runs after 6 overs for the loss of 2 wickets. Last ball, first ball. Bharat Singh Rawat. Third over continuing for Bharat Singh Best, and it's in the air. Lucky he didn't reach the fielder. Single taken. Bharat is sent for a 6 at deep covers. Runs continuing for Honey. Fifth boundary for Honey. 4 boundaries and 1 6. He has reached 26 runs after facing 15 deliveries. 51 runs for the loss of 2 wickets. 100 runs required now, and this is good thinking by Honey, but ball didn't reach him. So only a single. Fifth ball from Bharat to Rinku Sharma. It's a full toss, but straight to long off fielder. Last ball of the over, Bharat to Honey, and this is low full toss straight to long on fielder for a single. Himanshu continues second over. It's straight to deep square leg fielder for a single. Second ball and white. Second ball of the over for Himanshu and again white. Second ball again continuing for Himanshu and straight to bowler. Third ball from Himanshu to Rinku Sharma, again white. Third ball, this is cracking boundary for Rinku Sharma. First boundary coming up. Fourth ball, again white. Fourth ball and again wide. Fourth ball for Rinku Himanshu to Rinku Sharma, straight to keeper Nur. Again a cracking shot, this time over the covers fielder, and this is a missed field. Nice boundary. Again, second consecutive boundary in this over from Rinku Sharma. Last ball of the over, and this should be wide. There should be a couple of runs. No, single taken. Honey on strike. Last ball continuing. Last ball to Honey, and nice ball. Straight to keep. Ball. No run. New bowler Sandeep Bhaiya for Uttarakhand Tigers. Second ball from Sandeep Bhaiya. No run. Third ball from Sandeep Bhaiya to Rinku Sharma, straight to fielder. No run. Fourth ball of the over, and again no run. Fifth ball of the over, straight to bowler, no run. Last ball of the over, and nice flick, should be a single. Next bowler Ankit Rohaj to Rinku Sharma, straight to fielder, but still a single by Honey. Second ball from Ankit Rohaj, and it's wide, should be a single also. This is a cracking shot by Rinku Sharma. Third boundary for him at deep extra cover. Fourth ball to Rinku Sharma. Again a single. Last ball of the over. Straight boundary. Single taken by Honey. Last ball of the over. Nice flick. Should be a single. 80 runs after 10 overs for the loss of 2 wickets. 71 required of 60 balls. Second ball from Sandeep Bhaiya. Again dot ball. Third ball from Sandeep Bhaiya to Rinku Sharma. This is nice shot, but should be a single. Fourth ball from Sandeep Bhaiya to Honey Sharma, and nice cracking shot, should be a boundary. Yes, it's a boundary. Sixth boundary coming up for Honey. 85 runs after 10.4 overs. Again a nice cracking shot, consecutive boundaries coming up for Honey. 89 runs after 10.5 overs. Again a cracking shot. Again, but there is a fielder. Nice run. Nice single for Honey. 10 runs coming up in this over. 90 runs after 11 overs. 61 required of 54 balls. Ankit Rohaj continuing his second over. No run. Again a cracking shot, this time in the third man area. Nice boundary coming up. 94 runs after 11.2 overs. Third ball of the over. Again a cracking shot, but straight to long off fielder. Single taken. Again a nice ball, straight to fielder, no run. Again this is nice shot by Rinku Sharma, should be at least 2 runs. No, this is boundary. Fourth boundary coming up for Rinku Sharma. 99 runs after 11.5 overs for the loss of 2 wickets. Last ball of the over, no ball, no runs. Sandeep Bhaiya continues over, but Honey is in no mood to spare anyone. So this is nice. Double 2 runs taken by Honey. 101 runs after 12.1 overs. 100 up. Second ball from, and this is cracking shot. 50 up for Honey in just 29 balls. Third ball of the over, and this is should be No ball. No. Fourth ball from Sandeep Bhaiya to Rinku Sharma and dot ball. Fifth ball of the over and dot ball. Last ball of the over from Sandeep Bhaiya to Rinku Sharma, dot ball. Captain Tapan has been introduced into the attack. First spin attack and straight cracking shot for Hani Sharma. Hani, one more boundary, 10th boundary for Hani. 110 runs after 13.1 overs. Second ball from Tapan to Hani, and this is again a nice shot but straight to fielder. No run. Again nice cracking shot. This is seems to be a boundary at the deep square leg area. 114 runs after 13.3 overs. Again a cracking shot, but similar boundary. No, again a boundary. Nice shot. 118 runs after 13.4 overs. Fourth ball, and it should be wide. Again, this is nice ball. Bold. This is nice ball from Hemu on strike. Firoz Khan, the next bowler for Uttarakhand Tigers, and this is into the gap. Should be at least 2 runs. Rinku Sharma was hesitant for the second. New batsman Hemu on strike. Firoz Khan will be bowling third delivery to him of his first over, and this is nice straight to fielder, no run. Fourth ball of the over from Firoz Khan and to the gap, straight to deep square leg fielder for a single. Fifth ball from Firoz Khan to Rinku Sharma, and this is into the gap, should be at least 2 runs. No, only single taken. Last ball of the over and straight to Akhil Rohaj, and this is nice cracking shot, should be at least 2 runs. Yes, this is a nice misfield and it's a boundary. Fifth boundary coming up for Rinku Sharma. 37 runs of 43 deliveries. Again a same delivery, same shot, again misfield, again a boundary. 31 runs coming up after facing 44 deliveries. Third ball from Ankit, and again it should be a boundary. No, couple of runs for Rinku Sharma. 43 runs of 45 deliveries now. Fourth delivery from Ankit to Rinku Sharma. Again a nice cracking shot, this time at deep square leg. Single taken. Fifth delivery, it's a white. Last ball, and it's a white. Should be at least 5 runs. A boundary on white, 5 runs. Last ball to Rajat Soni, and cracking shot, 6. It's a boundary on the very first ball. 9 runs required of 24 balls now. Rinku Sharma on the, and this is nice cracking shot, but it's a single. Again white, again boundary. 5 runs coming up. 148 runs after 16.1 overs. Second ball of the over to Rajat Soni. A single taken. 149 runs for Team United 11 Dwarka. Just 2 runs required. Third ball of the over, and it's a boundary. No, just stopping before the boundary. Fourth ball of the over, and it's in the air. 3 fielders are below that ball, and nicely taken. Fifth ball of the over, and single taken by Rajat Soni. And is a winning run coming up by from the bat of Abhishek Bunty. United 11 Dwarka has won the maiden night match of the season. Honey, the player of the match for United 11 Dwarka, receiving trophy from the very senior batsman Shankar Belwal. Nice played, Honey.